Before jumping in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our weekly uploads. If you're looking for a ground cover that will also add a pop of color and brighten up your yard, we have the perfect plant for you. The Stella de Oro Daylily shrub has beautiful golden blooms that appear in late spring and last throughout early fall, longer than any of the other daylily varieties. Daylilies do well in locations that receive full sun to partial shade, and they thrive in moist, well-draining soil. Once established, they are very drought tolerant as well as heat tolerant. They grow up to 2 feet tall and 18 inches wide. Stella de Oro Daylilies grow best in USDA zones 4 through 9, which is most of the United States. The daylilies' showy flowers and low-maintenance care make them an extremely popular ground cover. They attract so many butterflies and other pollinators to your yard, including hummingbirds. As the daylilies spread, you will soon have a yard full of these long-lasting blooms. We hope this grow guide helps. Happy planting!